Hey y'all, Uncle Eddie, coming at you. How you doing? Well, I was gonna go out by the barn, and I don't know if you can hear that, but it's a little bit wet right now, and I'm in the garage, as you can tell. But it's raining a little bit. It just started, like literally. I just walked out here, and now it's pouring. It's like, dude, that's crazy, man. Maybe I'll stick these on the shelf and you can watch and listen to the rain for a bit. Golly, it's like a monsoon. Holy crap, man! It's been really hot and sticky and not very nice. And so yeah, no, no, I ain't doing it. I ain't doing it. So, I haven't put it in the video yet. I was editing. I'm in the middle of editing video from yesterday. Or no, not yesterday. From the first, because I really haven't done a whole lot. It's been unreal hot, man. It's been quite miserable. I don't even know if it's gonna be bright enough. This might not be bright enough. But man, that's nuts. My grass gonna take off. I'm gonna have grass up to my ankles. That's I got a bucket where the two roofs come down. Last night it almost filled it. I guess it'll overflow it now. It won't last long though. I don't think. It might. But anyway, so yeah, it turns out I didn't get the Harbor Freight job. Oh well. It's either from what happened at that last big box store, or I know too much. It's usually because I know too much, you know. Like I'm supposed to reduce the amount of things that are that I know in my resume, which I don't get that. You'd think they want the experience, but I don't know. It doesn't seem like it. It seems like they're scared of it. Whatever, man. Just don't get it. So, yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do that. I'd have to go in and get the big box, or the box. Maybe I'll blast those two spindles. Maybe. I wanted to blast a bunch of stuff. Well, I wanted to really paint, but I'm not gonna be painting outside. I'm gonna have to get me some plastic. Maybe I'll make a temporary boost so I can blast in the garage, or I can spray in the garage when it's like this, because I hate waiting. But when it's really nice, I also do all the outside stuff, so it's like, I gotta make decisions. I was like, I should do it at night. Yeah, do it at night. But it's been like this. It's been raining on and off for days now. Matter of fact, so what's today? Saturday, the 6th. So Thursday, on the 4th, there's out there in the river down to. Oops, there's a little thunder action going on. It's over that way. Yay! Keep going that way. But there was a tornado on Smith Island. I ain't never heard of a tornado down this far. So, that's cool. You have to put you up somewhere so you can listen to the thunder and stuff. Watch the rain and listen to the thunder. Whatever. guess I've been out in the sticks for so long that I really enjoy this, listening to the rainfall and the thunder roll and all that good stuff. Yeah, let me get a chair and I'll stick it on a chair. Over on the other side, you can look at the grass, you have to look at all the metal crap. Let me do that. Get my tool bag up here. Get all my stuff off of here. And do that for a bit. I could clean up my mess in here, I guess. I guess I could, although I don't really want to. That's terrible. I know it's terrible. It's terrible. I should get something done, Edward. I should. But maybe I'll do that for a bit. And sit there and watch me clean up. You can watch the rain for a bit. Watch the rain fall and listen to it and all that good stuff. And I'll be done. So I can divulge in other things that I don't show on video for a good reason. I know it's nothing illegal and all that crap. I won't want young people to do this on. I made bad decisions when I was a kid and paid for those things. Don't do it. If I did this all the time, I'd know where my tools were. What? Hallelujah. I got tools everywhere. this, I'll show it to you. This spring is what I need for those transmission brackets. And brakes and all that. So all you do is blast it and prime it and it'll be good. Sweet. It's in great shape too. Gotta build a cage for it though. So spread it open and blast it. Alright, I'm gonna stop the video for a bit because I'm gonna have to go in the house. And then I'll resume and we'll do I'll make a jig for the spring and then I'll get the box and I'll do some blasting. So you can watch me blast the spindles and that spring and, and some other stuff. I might, I don't know. I have to look at some of these blades. Figure I want to do a set. I tried to redo that. I might have to paint that. I don't know what the staining is because it's not just there, but it's also on the back. So I don't know. I got to figure that out. I've tried to scrub it, but it just doesn't want to come clean. So yeah, let me get back to yous and take care of some bio business, and I'll see y'all in a bit. So be good at it, and I'll see ya.